After you've enrolled in Settlers Federal Credit Union online banking, go to settlersfcu.com to log in to your home banking. Click in the box that says Online Banking Login. Enter your login ID and click Login. On the next window that opens, make sure your confidence word is correct, enter your password, and click Continue. If you forget your login ID or password, click here and follow the prompts. Enter the answer to your security question and type your email address here. Click Continue. You are now logged in to home banking. The first screen that comes up is your account screen, which shows an overview of all of your account and loan balances. You can change the layout of this screen here. The website defaults to grid view. Click here to change to list view. Click on each share account to see a list of all transactions and your available and current balances. Search bars let you easily search your account for transactions by date or description. Click on a check number to view an image of the check, when and where it was cashed. Use the drop-down menu here to switch between different share and loan accounts. Click on a loan to view the current balance and a list of transactions. Filter dates to see full loan history. Click on the info icon right here to see the payoff amount, payment amount, interest rate, next and last payment dates, any fees and interest paid. At the top of any screen, click on Transfers to go to the transfer page. Here you can transfer money from one account to another or transfer money to another member account. Type in your amount here and add an optional description. Choose Transfer Now or select Transfer Date to schedule a transfer for a later date. Leave the frequency set at one time for a single transfer. Change the frequency anywhere from daily to annually to create recurring scheduled transfers with a start and end date. Note, you do not have to set an end date. This is a great tool for scheduling transfers to your Settlers loans so you never miss a payment. A new feature is the list on the right side of the screen that shows you upcoming scheduled transfers. Click on Scheduled right here to see the full list and edit or delete any scheduled transfers. Click on Bill Pay at the top of any screen to go to our Bill Pay website. See our Bill Pay video for further details. Click on Statements on top of any screen to view all your e-statements within the last year. You are automatically signed up for e-statements when you enroll in online banking. Settlers deposits 25 cents in your account every month you receive e-statements. Click here to stop e-statements. On the top right corner are three icons. Click the bell-shaped alert icon to view and manage your alerts. Use alerts to have an email or text alert you of your daily account balance, of a loan payment due, transaction, or alert you if your account is below a certain amount. To set an alert, click Manage. On the next screen, click Create Alert. Choose the alert type from the drop-down list and click Continue. If you're alerting of a loan payment due, select the loan, how many days in advance to notify you, and a personal message to yourself. You can select to automatically include the payment due date and payment amount in the alert. Click Save. If you prefer a text message instead of an email alert, please call the credit union. They can set it up for you or give you a text code to enter in place of your email address. You can edit and delete alerts at any time. Click on the Messages icon to send a message to the credit union. In the next screen, click New Message. Type a subject line and message, and click Send. Click on the user icon to go to your profile and settings or to log out. Under Profile and Settings, you can change your phone number, email, username, and password. Click on the Settlers logo on the top left corner to go back to the main website.